Hello YouTube and welcome to another Notepad++ tutorial. So today I will show you how you can use your Notepad++ as an FTP client. So are you ready? Let's get started. So normally when you want to connect an FTP server, we use FileZilla FTP client. But if you have Notepad++, you can also use it because it will offer you some very useful features. So I'm going to open Notepad++. So in order to connect to an FTP server, you have to install a plugin called Notepad++ FTP. But if you have a newer version of Notepad++, this plugin is already installed, as you can see in the menu plugins. So here I'm using new version of Notepad++. As you can see here under the menu plugins, this plugin is already installed. But in case if not installed, or if you are using an older version of Notepad++, it's very simple. You go to the plugin manager, then show plugin manager. Then in the list of available plugins, you search for the Notepad++ plugin and you install it, and installation is very simple. Okay, so now we are using Notepad++ in order to connect to an FTP server. So I will go to my plugins menu, then Notepad++ FTP plugin, then show Notepad++ FTP window. As you can see here on the right, a new window has appeared. So I go to this little gear here, I click on it, then in the profile setting, okay, so here I will enter the credentials of the FTP server that I'm going to connect to. So in the list of profiles, I add a new profile. I will name it, for example, my website. I hit OK. Then here I enter the IP address or the URL of my FTP server. So here I'm connecting to a local FTP server. Here the username, and here my password. So here I'm connecting via FTP, but I can also, if I have, for example, an SFTP server, I can choose SFTP as protocol. But me, I'm just using FTP, so I'll choose just FTP. Then I will close this window. And here in the left corner, I click on this icon, and here you can see the profile that I had just edited. So I click on it, and now as you can see here, I get connected to my FTP. So I go, for example, to my website directory, as you can see here, and here is the list of the file that contains this directory. And if I click on a file, for example, let's click on this file, as you can see, I can edit files directly in Notepad++. So it's a very useful feature that allows you to edit files directly inside Notepad++. Another thing, you can click on this window here and show messages window. So this windows allows you, if you want to trouble the connection to your FTP or something like that. So it's very useful also to keep in mind that all the messages or the things that you do are recorded here in this window. So it's very useful for troubleshooting. As always, I hope it has been informative for you, and I want to thank you for viewing. Bye bye.